Hi everyone, this is Mohit and welcome back to Engineers Tech Hub channel. So in this video, we will discuss NTD data interview question for automation test engineer 2 to 5 year of experience. So first interview question is, tell me about yourself, experience, technology, your project and your roles and responsibility in your current project. So if you are attending any interview, so first of all, what you have, the first question they will ask you, tell me about yourself. In tell me about yourself, you have to highlight your experience. In experience, you have to also tell about your relevant experience. You have to tell about your technology, your current project, and your roles and responsibility. Let's move in the second question. Second question is, write a program to print duplicate and unique character in a string. So let me just move like that. Okay. Second question is, write a program to print duplicate unique character in a string. So this question you can do by using the hash map easily. So end of the video, I will tell you how to make your answer, and we have also many playlists and many videos or many website where you can get all the answer for all this question. So we'll go for third question. Third question is, what is collection and how many types of the collection? So this is again Java question. So collection, we have a one library, right? Collection is your framework. Inside this collection we have a list, set and map. We will go inside this list, array list, linked list, right? Set, has set, right? So these are the implementation class and you have to tell the difference. So difference is like list always accept, you know list will accept duplicates object, set unique, and map we have it will accept key value pair. So in this video I'm not going for depth for the answer. I will also make on the video for the complete top interview question for answer as well in the coming session. We will go for the next question. What is the difference between array and array list? Again, this is the common question. So many differences are there. Because of disadvantage of an array, Java people have developed the collection framework. So first difference is it is in fixed in your size. The array is fixed in your size. You cannot increase and decrease as per your project requirement, but array list is working on your index only. But here we can increase and decrease the size as per the project requirement. In array list, we having the many inbuilt method like add method, remove method, delete method, right? So this method you can use directly in your project. But if you will go for array, then what will happen? You have to write in your code. So we having the code complexity in array. So many disadvantage and advantages there. So that's why we having the collection concept. So we can move in your second. So again, I'm going to tell you in this session, I'm not going to discuss the answer in the depth, but in the coming session, I'm planning to prepare the best answer for this all the question. Okay. So what is the difference between super and this keyword? So super, there are two types of the super called and super dot, and this is also a keyword. Like this is the final reference type of the keyword. Okay, so by using this keyword we can it will point your current object, and this is applicable for your non-static, and super is also okay. I will tell you, we having the separate series for the video. You can learn in the depth super and this. So in this video I'm not going to tell you like okay, how to capture Google search bar text. Actually what the requirement is there, if you are entering any text on the Google, how to capture that. Okay, that is the interview question. Like we have open a Google, launch the Google, and you have to enter something like COVID, right? So that COVID you have to capture. So another question is, have you worked on API testing? So again, API testing is required nowadays because all the companies looking for API manual with automation. If you are like showing the experience, then or if you are working, then we can use the Postman and rest assured. So please explore that. We'll move for the another interview question. So what is constructor and what is the use of constructor? Again, constructor is a special type of the method. The use of this constructor is when you are creating an object, new keyword and constructor, right? So constructor will initialize an object. Again, we having the many types of the constructor like default constructor, parameterized constructor, non-parameterized constructor, right? So just I will just giving the some overview but not a complete answer here. So if you want to make your proper answer and if you want to brush up your skill set, please go to my YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube channel, Engineers Tech Hub. Just you can search Engineers Tech Hub. So in this Engineers Tech Hub, you can go for the playlist. In this playlist, if you want to get all the proper answer for Java concept, or if you want to brush up your Java, so please go through that. You will get some Java video here. This is the complete video for the Java, so you can brush up your Java concept. And the most things, like if you will go for, and if you I have already made a many interview question for top level of the MNC for this playlist. You can go here, Oracle interview question for automation test engineer. Sorry, this is the playlist. I'll tell you. Okay, 1 second. This is the playlist like automation test engineer interview question and answer. So I have made, you can just refer this top level of the MNC company, and this is the latest question. So if you are getting the call from the any like Oracle, Mesh Technology, ITC Infotech, DBS, ADP, Deloitte, and almost questions are repeated. Please go through that and you can look into that and you can take interview yourself also. So here you will get the list of the top level of the interview question and answer. And coming session, I am also trying to add more top level of the MNC company interview questions. Okay, and just you can go for again in my playlist. And many people are struggling for a real-time interview question and answer. So this playlist having the real-time interview question and answers. So here you will get frequent question which is asked in your real time, like what the challenges you have faced, what is your roles and responsibility, what is your day-to-day activity. So many people are manual tester and they're trying to in automation profile, or many people are working in your different profile and they are looking for job in automation test engineer, but you did not work in the real time. So here just I have give you the overview, what is your roles and responsibility, how you will get the task, how to start to do your automation. So just I have mentioned all the videos and all, so please go through that. And if you like this video, and please share and subscribe my channel. Every weekend I will try to upload one top level of the interview question that will helpful for you guys, if you're getting the call, so which type of the question they're asking. So please share and subscribe and press bell icon. So if I will upload any video, then you will get the notification. So thank you so much and see you in the next video.